I was just off camera and I shot it with my little BB gun and it did that. It's crazy. A BB gun did that. I just got done beating the door open with a hammer, and so behind that metal plate was a whole bunch of glass. So the front and back has glass, and then a metal sheet is in the middle of it. And then I beat this, so and then I had to beat open the door. So I was shooting the microwave with the pellet gun that has a scope, and surprisingly, it really didn't do anything. Like, I shot in the glass, it just left a mark on there. And then I shot in here. I don't know if I can get it in there, but if you can see back there, that bottom hole on that metal bar, I shot it and the bullet just buried itself. And I don't know what this box does, but I sent a bullet on it and it just peeled off the paint. And then the plastic shot, that where the copper is bent, that's where the BB gun hit. And I did it with the pellet gun, and like one of the switchboard parts that fell off, I shot it and it bounced off. And it was like, I guess the plastic was just really hard. I was taking shots from a little bit of ways because I didn't know what would happen. Put two holes in there and then just beat it with the hammer a little bit. Put a hole in the side. But I think this microwave is a little bit done. Like, this is the aftermath. Like, broken switchboard, the glass, stuff over here. But I think this is done. I don't think any bullets came out the back. I think this is it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great and amazing day. Stay safe. God bless you.